Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. I'm Yatha Chauhan. So, as you know, in the last video, we deployed our React application on Netlify in free. As you can see, the live URL is active now. So, when you click on the live URL, it going to showcase it to you your website name dot netlify.app. So, we need to integrate the custom domain in this video. So, you can just connect with your own domain with your website. So this is a simple agenda for this video. So let's get started with our custom domain video on Netlify. So as you may like this video, just subscribe now and stay tuned with me to deploy your live application. Now let's get started with our prerequisites. If you don't have any website, I will give you the link in this video description. Second, if you don't have a domain, you can check it out namecheap.com, right, to take a free domain if you are students. And either there are too many websites where you can get free domain. So we'll give you the list on in the video description. So let's get start here. What we can do, just go to domain management. Inside, you need to just click on the add domain. Then click on the buy domain. If you want to buy, either go with add a domain which you have. So I have a domain, so I'm just click on it, and here just enter your domain name. So I have a yatricloud.com, but this is already running, so I'm not going to put it down. What I can do, I will just give my website name whatever I want, and dot your your domain name. So this is called a subdomain, right? So this is your name, whatever you are going to put it down, and dot, this is your domain name. So this is subdomain. As you can see, either you can put it down your domain name also directly. Let's say, for example, yatricloud.com, like that. Then click on the verify, and what I can do, I just integrate this one into my GoDaddy or Namecheap or Hostinger, whatever I have. Okay, so add a subdomain, and here you can see awaiting external DNS. Click on this, and here you have to add on these records into your GoDaddy, right? If you have a GoDaddy, right? So in my case, I purchased the domain from the GoDaddy. So let's quickly copy this one, and make sure you are not going to copy dot, right? So that one thing is set. Let me go to my GoDaddy and just click on the new records, and here just selecting the CNAME. Here you need to enter your subdomain, or if you have your domain name, right, then you need to integrate here the A records and whatever mentioned in the particular Netlify. So in my case, it's a subdomain name, and here is the my value. Okay, and then just just I'm clicking on the save button, and that's it. Okay, so here you can see it's going to save now, and just go to the Yatri cloud again. So I imported all the such things in my GoDaddy. So I need to just wait for a few seconds, and I will be back. Okay. Yes, as you can see, now our website is integrated successfully with our custom domain. So here what you can do, here you can see the HTTPS is already configured in our live URL. And now when you are going into site overview, here you can see you need to just refresh this page, and here you can see the key Yatri live.yatricloud.com is live now. So now we successfully integrate our website. So when you click on the website, here your website is live with HTTPS, right? So that is the main things here. If you didn't get it HTTPS in your website, please wait at least 2 to 5 minutes and then try again. You will be getting successful integration with HTTPS, right? So now as you can see, our website is live with our custom domain. So now as of now, that's it, and it's a very short form video to understand about how we can connect a custom domain. So I hope it's clear. And thank you so much, and bye bye, and take care. Do not forget to subscribe to the Yatri Cloud. Okay, bye bye.